Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Today I want to share with you a very horror story to happen with my grandmother. She said to me, when I wake up for prayer at tonight, 2 a.m. Okay, this is a very dark night. When I ready for prayer, I enter in my room, and after some moment I heard the music of very nearby me. Okay, and I thought, this music come from our neighbor house. After this day, in the next day, next night, when I was woke up for prayer and go to the washroom, and after some time, I again hear the music nearby me, and very very nearby me. So I come again on the terrace, and I thought, this music come from our neighbor house, but I am wrong, and this is my mistake. Not come from the neighbor house, but when I busy in my prayer, suddenly I saw some people dancing on front of me on the terrace. Oh, I am so afraid, and as soon as I going to my room and fell asleep, and tomorrow, next day, I tell the story to my family members, but they are not believe, and they say, you have they tell me you have must dreamed, but no, I'm not in the dreamed, and this is a reality. After this night, I am so afraid, and today I want to share this story because this story is a real story. Okay guys, I upload very horrible stories in today's, so please, you also listen my stories and tell me comment. Okay, thank you so much.